What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind, the ultimate $5,000 ROG Gaming PC build. This rig is designed for the most hardcore gamers, streamers, and content creators who want the absolute best in performance, aesthetics, and future-proofing. From insane frame rates to jaw-dropping visuals, this build is going to handle anything you throw at it. So, let's break it down, part by part, and see what makes this $5,000 monster tick. Let's go. So, why a $5,000 gaming PC? Well, when you're looking to play the latest AAA titles at max settings, stream in 4K, or even dabble in 3D rendering, you need a beast that can handle everything. We've partnered with ASUS ROG, that's Republic of Gamers for those of you who are new to the scene, to bring you the best components for this build. We're talking premium components that aren't just about performance but also style, because who wants a boring PC case, right? From the ROG motherboard to the cutting-edge GPU, this build is all about high-end hardware. So let's start with the heart of this machine. At the core of our build is the Intel Core i9-1414900K processor. This 24 cores, 8 performance cores, 16 efficiency cores. 32-thread powerhouse is perfect for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. Whether you're streaming, recording, or rendering, this CPU can handle it all without breaking a sweat. We chose the i9-14900K, not just for its insane gaming performance, but also for its multi-threaded capabilities, making it perfect for content creators who need the extra processing power. With a base clock of 3.0 GHz and the ability to boost up to 5.6 GHz, this CPU won't let you down in any situation. Paired with the right cooling, it's going to keep pushing those frames, even in the most demanding games. For the motherboard, we're using the Asus ROG Strix Z790E gaming Wi-Fi. This motherboard supports the latest Intel processors, has PCIe 5.0 support for future GPUs and storage, and packs a ton of features for enthusiasts. We've got Wi-Fi 6E, 10 GB Ethernet, and tons of connectivity options. So whether you're building this PC for gaming or content creation, this motherboard has got you covered. The ROG Strix series is known for its premium build quality, and this one doesn't disappoint with its sleek design and RGB lighting that syncs beautifully with other ROG components. Next up, the star of the show, the graphics card. No gaming PC build is complete without a beast of a GPU, and for this one, we went all in with the ASUS ROG Strix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. This is the most powerful GPU on the market right now, capable of running any game at 4K, delivering mind-blowing ray tracing and AI features, and enabling you to play your favorite titles at the highest settings with smooth, buttery frame rates. The RTX 4090 comes with a whopping 24 GB of GDDR6X VRAM, meaning you can throw 3D rendering, video editing, or machine learning tasks at this thing and it won't flinch. And of course, the RGB lights on this card look stunning in any build. For memory, we're using 64 GB of G-Skill Trident Z5 DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz. DDR5 is the next-gen memory standard, offering better bandwidth and faster speeds than DDR4. This is perfect for heavy multitasking, gaming, and even productivity workloads like video editing and 3D modeling. Not only is this RAM fast, but it also has amazing RGB lighting that perfectly matches the ROG theme of our build. You're not just getting raw performance here, you're also getting some serious visual flair. Storage is critical, and we've got 2 drives for this build. First, we've got a Samsung 980 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD for ultra-fast read and write speeds. This is going to be your primary drive where your OS, games, and important applications live. It's blazing fast, making boot times and loading screens practically non-existent. For mass storage, we've added a Seagate Barracuda 4TB HDD. Whether you're storing 4K video footage or a library of your favorite games, this drive has the space you need, and it's built to last. Now, let's talk cooling. With this insane build, keeping the temperature in check is critical. We've gone with the Corsair IQE H150i Elite Capellix 360mm liquid cooler to keep the Intel i9-14900K running cool, even under heavy loads. This cooler has three 120mm fans that push a ton of air and help dissipate heat efficiently, ensuring that your CPU stays cool during long gaming sessions or rendering tasks. And the best part? It has customizable RGB lighting that syncs up perfectly with the rest of the ROG components, giving the build a seamless, high-tech look. For power, we've chosen the Corsair RM1000X1000 watt PSU. With the amount of power this build draws, we need something reliable and high capacity. This 1000 watt PSU is more than enough to handle the RTX 4090, the i9-14900K, and all of the other components without breaking a sweat. It's fully modular, meaning no messy cables, and it's 80+ gold certified, so you know it's efficient. The case is one of the most important parts of any build, and for this one, we've chosen the ASUS ROG Strix Helios case. This mid-tower case offers incredible airflow and plenty of room for all of our components. It also features tempered glass panels on both sides, giving you a full view of this beautiful setup. With its sleek design, RGB integration, and premium build quality, this case is the perfect home for this high-end build. And there it is. Our $5,000 ROG Gaming PC is all set up and ready to go. Let's fire it up and see what kind of performance we're looking at. This PC can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing maxed out, running games in 4K, or doing video editing in Adobe Premiere, this build crushes it. With the RTX 4090 and i9-14900K, you're looking at some of the best gaming experiences available right now. So, there you have it. The ultimate $5,000 ROG Gaming PC build. If you're looking for peak performance and future-proofing, this is the rig for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic PC builds and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.